This pancake is so soft, so fluffy, so yummy, and has a little crunch to it. Stick around, I will show you how I made this. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share this video when you're done. Welcome back to my channel. This is Madam Excellence. So today we'll be making pancakes. This is a very popular breakfast. I'm sure everyone loves pancakes. But this method, I'm going to show you how I make this pancake so yummy, so fluffy. And you will be so happy this time around to make pancakes for yourself or your family. So in a large bowl, we will need a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and then we will need 2 tablespoons of sugar. We will need a little bit of onions. Yes, onions. If you love onions, if you love a little crunch, this will be nice. Teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and then we need vanilla extract, 1 large egg or 2 regular sized egg, and then you will put a pinch of paprika just for the little spice in it. Paprika, trust me, if you do this method, if you use this recipe, well, you're gonna love pancakes. So pour the spices in there into your flour mix them all up. Put in your baking powder, 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Stir it properly, stir it thoroughly. And then in another bowl, I'm pouring your milk. So for this, I used 1 1/4 cup of milk. Cracking your eggs. All the liquids will go into this bowl. And then you can use butter, but I'm using vegetable oil. I'll be using vegetable oil for this recipe. That's a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And just in the cup, I put in my vanilla extract. You can skip this if you don't like it, but I love a little flavor. Mix it all up. Then we're gonna pour it into our flour. Make a well in it, a little hole and well in it. And then pour in your liquids, your milk, your eggs, your vegetable oil, and your vanilla extract. And then mix it thoroughly. Don't overwork the batter. Just mix it until everything is combined. Guys, this recipe is going to be so yummy. And then we're going to put in a little bit of onions. Guys, chop your onions to be in little chunks, just little chunks, so that by the time you chop up, you're done making your pancakes and you take a bite, there's a little crunch and the flavor from the onions just seeps through the pancakes, added with the vanilla extract, then with the little bit of paprika. Whoa, this is gonna be so yummy, guys, trust me. Mix it a little bit, and then when we're heating up our pan, let's put our heat on medium because we don't want our pancakes to burn. Just put your pan on medium heat. Pour in a little bit of veg oil. You can use butter if you want, but I'm using vegetable oil. The key to making really nice, good looking pancakes, let there be oil, you know, a little bit of oil to cook it through. If the pan is dry, your pancakes will be burnt. So we need a little oil. Then when it's hot enough, the measuring cup I'm using is the 1/4 cup of 1/4 cup. Then pour a 1/4 cup of flour in there, and then we're going to allow it to bake a bit until we see little tiny bubbles on top of this. Then we can flip it over, and while we're just waiting for the bubble to form, just give your pan a little shake. Let the oil go through the edges of the pancake rather. We don't want it to get burnt, so once in a while just give your frying pan a little swirl, just swirl it around, and then so that the oil is going to go through beneath the pancake and cook it. And you can see it's already forming, if the bubble is already forming on top. And then we're going to try to flip this over now. Yeah, that's how it should be. That's how it should look like. Light brown in color. Maybe about 2 minutes, just a medium heat though. If your stove is too hot, your pancake is gonna be burnt. So just medium heat. Guys, try this out. Let me know how it went, how you liked it. Did you add paprika to your recipe? Did you add onions to your recipe? If you did, let me know in the comment section. How did it go? And if there's any other recipe you would love for me to try out, let me know as well. See how that pancake looks. And then we're going to try it one more time. Look at that. Beautiful, so beautiful. So beautiful. Just one more time, just so that you see how it is, how I make it. Look at the oil. Let there be oil in your pan at least to cook the batter, the flour. With these onions, it's going to give it a little crunch, a little bit of crunch. We're going to enjoy our pancake. Do you like your pancakes just plain as the basic pancake with the syrup, or you like to add in your other fruits? And there you go, guys. That is our pancake. So yummy. This recipe you can make this pancake for at least 2 people. Enjoy this with your family, and let me know in the comment section if you really did enjoy this. Have a nice one. Goodbye. See you in our next video. Bye.